Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a tasty beef shawarma sandwich recipe, and here are the prepared ingredients. Here I prepared already beef shawarma, a slice of parsley, a squeezed half piece of lemon, sesame paste, some sumac powder, 3 pieces of sliced tomato, and 5 pieces of sliced onion. Let's get started. In our pan, let's put our beef shawarma. Let's fry it without using any oil because alone it gives a sauce. It will extract the sauce from the shawarma. Just fry it for about 1 minute. And after a minute, let's add our sliced onion. And leave it leave it little bit for later on use. And leave it until the beef become tender. And let's add teaspoon of black pepper, and mix it. And for the meantime, let's prepare our sauce for the shawarma. Here I have 1 piece of clove garlic. Let's smash. Let's add our sesame paste. Add tablespoon of squeezed lemon. Add a teaspoon of salt, a bit of cold water, and now let's shake it. Keep on mixing it, and done. And our shawarma sauce is done. Set aside. And now let's make our parsley salad. In our cut parsley, let's add our remaining sliced onion. And let's add a tablespoon of sumac powder. And add a half teaspoon of salt. Now let's combine all together. And our parsley salad is done. Set aside. And now let's check our shawarma. As you can see here, the sauce is totally dry. Here I didn't add any sauce since it is ready beef shawarma. Let's check if it's tender. Now it's already tender. And our beef shawarma is done. And our shawarma meat is ready. Now it's time to make our shawarma sandwich. And I'm gonna use pita bread. You can use any bread of your choice. Now inside our pita bread, let's put our parsley salad. Spread it. Meat. And let's add some sliced tomato and our prepared shawarma sauce. And now let's roll it. And let's cut it into half. And our delicious beef shawarma sandwich is ready to serve. Our delicious beef shawarma sandwich recipe is ready to serve.